Hey, this is Bill Portnova. I'm going to talk to you today about what GDPR is, and so you understand what it is. Okay, it's basically the term is. It's a General Data Protection Regulation. So basically, what it is when someone comes to your website in Europe now, it's only in Europe, but they want everybody in the world to do it. Okay, or if you don't do it, they're going to send different companies fines. Okay, so some people say, hey, don't do it. I'm not doing it because it's not in the US. We decided to do it, and we tried a lot of free plugins, and a lot of the free plugins are a big mess, and they don't work right, and they don't get, back to you very quickly, and it runs into a big mess. And like I said, if you don't have your site set up like this, this could potentially cause big problems for your business, and most of us don't have, up to $1 million to, if that's what they wanted to fine us with. Okay, so their website is eugdpr.org. Okay, you can come over here. I'll put a link under this video in my blog, and actually below in this YouTube video. You can come over here and you can read more about it. But basically what it is it's your data protection. So like when you come to a website, okay, I'm just going to come over here. All right, here's my terms right here. Okay, what you'll do is you'll click right here, just close this out here, and you'll accept. Okay, all right, you accepted the terms, and it brought you back to the home page. But basically what it's going to be is it tells in your terms and policy, it tells basically what information you pull from people. So like if you use Google AdSense or Google AdWord or any kind of tracking type thing, it's going to let people know that, what your information you're taking from them, which it's not a big deal. Usually it's IP address, little things like that, where your signups came from. Nothing big deal. It's more important really for banks and stuff because they're storing major people's information. And most people's websites, unless it's, with very important information that, it's like Social Security and, information that is very important, it's not as big of a deal, okay? And especially if you use PayPal, once the person buys a product from you, it's through the PayPal system that they're protecting you, okay? But what I'm going to show you today is, I'm going to show you which GDPR plugin I use, the paid version, and I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you on my wife's website how to set it up, okay? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to come over to here. It's called Blue Legacy Design. There's my wife, Kendra Portnova. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to log into her WordPress website. All right, we're going to come over here, we'll go to Plugins. All right, we're going to go Add New. Upload plugin. All right, and I got the WP GDPR Fix Elite. I got the Elite version, which I can add it to unlimited websites. Okay, so we'll click right there, and their version that they first started off with is 1.5. So I'll show you right here. This is an older version that's going to come up right here that I show you. But they're already on 2.5, and they fixed a ton of bugs. All my sites work 100% now. I had problems in the beginning, but ever since they, all these people started using the plugin, they fixed things. And that's the thing, like I was going to say, you can go and you can use some of these free ones, but they're not going to get back to you fast because they're making no money off you from using the plugin. So I would rather you use one that's paid, because you're going to get the customer service that you need, and you're going to get your site fixed so you can get this taken care of on your site, okay? So basically, let's come over here. I'm just going to update it. But if you buy it from the site, it should be the newest version. All right, see, it's 1.8 on here, and it's 2.5 now. So all you do is you just click Update. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to set all this stuff up, okay? So now we've set it all up. All right, now we come right over here. It's very, very simple. All this right here, you can see all these are X's. What you need to do is just start the process, okay? So basically, you come over here. It's very simple. They have default things that you can set to put the information in there. Just put it just like that and click Save. And then come over here. You want it displayed on all pages, okay? And this is what we'll do. We'll click Save. click save right here. All right, we'll go over here. Then we're going to come over here. Actually, I forgot to do this right here. We're going to come over here. We're going to create a page. It's called Terms of Service. Oops, misspelled it here. All right, so we're going to publish that page right here. We're going to come to one of my sites over here. And we're just going to take the information from my site to make it real easy. And I'll put a link to my site here that you could pretty much copy it and use what I have and just put your address and your information there and change it with your information, okay? So basically we're going to go over here, we're going to click in text, we're going to click update. I'm going to remove obviously the banner at the top. Alright, and this information right here is going to change because it's my wife, so basically we're going to come over here. We're going to select this. We're going to come over here. Paste that in there. That's her site here. And since her business is underneath my business, we're just going to keep all of this information the same. We're obviously going to delete this right here because that's not her. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, we'll come back up here. And you can see right here on this page, you're going to have a tag that you're going to use that you're going to put right in there. And I'm going to show you exactly how all that works, okay? But let's come back over here. Alright, so we can go over here. Alright, so let's click on this again so it's fresh here. And you can change all this stuff. I would just leave it the same way, okay? You can block. It says show only to you know, EU type people. I would just leave it to show everybody, okay? Because eventually it's going to come to the US and probably, I'm sure, the rest of the world. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here. You're going to click on Terms of Service. All right, and you're going to click Save. And this is where you get the code right there. So you copy this right here. And once you buy the plugin, they'll show you exactly what to do too. But you'll go right there, and you'll just pop that right in. There it is. All right. Then we need to also make another one. All right, so let's come back over here. We need to make a user request form so they can request information about what you are actually taking from their actual website, okay? So data access request, you put your email in there. Data request right there. It says forget data request. Rectify data, and you can put all your information, you can write, you can get all this information, and we'll send you the information of what we're keeping of your information. So, but from our site, it's basically if you just opted to our email list or finding out where you came from, like the subscriber, if you're from the US and if you came from a particular site, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go here. I'm just going to go to my page here. All right. We're going to go back to hers right here. We'll go to her pages, open it up here, add a new one. Update it. Then we're going to go right here. We can save this right here. We go to the next one, the privacy policy, and I'll show you exactly what we do. And we just go again here to the terms. All right. We go here. Puts the default information, so you don't even have to even write any of this information, okay? Just click Save. All right, take this right here. This will be the form that you'll have. So we'll go back to right here to her page. And we'll just do visual. We'll paste this in there. All right. Now we go back here and we finish the rest of this up, okay? And we just use their default here information. That's what makes it so nice. You don't have to worry about anything. It just sets it all up for you. Use default right there. Click Save Settings. Click right there. Use default text. So like I said, you don't have to write any of this stuff. It's compliant, all that good stuff. And right here, if you just want to block people completely, this plugin, you can just click right there and you can redirect them wherever. But you don't have to accept anyone from the EU, okay? From Europe. So basically, that's how easy the plugin is. So let me go over here to her page now. All right, see how this shows up right here when you visit her website? Tells you it's very important, and you click yes, I accept it. All right. Then if you need to come over to the terms of service, okay, so let's click over here. Let's go here. All right, click right on here. Terms. It's going to show you right here. It's going to take you to terms, and you're going to accept them right there. It'll let you know. All right, just close that right there. Takes you back to the home page. And then if you want to find out what information, like I said, this is my wife's website, so you can actually go right here, user's request form. And right here you can put your email, and this will let you know. It will send you an email that will let you know what information we're taking. So forget data request, you can put all this stuff in here and find out what we're taking from you, which is really nothing. Like I said, it's no big deal, because like I said, we're not a bank, we're not a company like PayPal or anything that's keeping really important information when you come visit our site. Okay, so you just fill all that information out and then we send it, and I'll show you real quickly here. So like, let's say someone comes here and they send you something. Right down here, you're going to get a request. You're just going to click send the email, and they're going to get the information. So it's so very easy. It's something that you want to do. It's very inexpensive. It's very easy to set up. Okay, let me just go over here. It's very easy to set up. There's no reason why not to be compliant, because why not? The rest of the world eventually in the next few years is going to be doing the same thing. So you might as well just do it, because then you're already going to have it done. You don't have to worry about, waiting down the line. The plugin that I use, okay, is WP GDPR Fix, okay? And I'm going to put a link below this video. This is the best paid plugin you can buy. And it's very cheap if you think about it. And they get back to you within less than 24 hours, okay? And all you're going to do is, I'm going to put a link there. I wouldn't buy this because this is one site for $23. I'd buy the $27 one. So if you have multiple sites, then get this one for $27. You can add on unlimited sites. That's all you need. This is the one that I actually bought and I'm actually using. But like I said, it's so important to make sure your site's compliant, so you might as well just go ahead and do it. And like I said, if you want to read more information about what this is, like I said, I'm going to have a link below this video that will take you here to the site. It loads very slow because a lot of people are going to it. Frequently asked questions, you can find out, more information. Like I said, the site loads very, very slow. So be patient, and you can read and find out exactly everything. But like I said, with the plugin right here, WP GDPR Fix, you're going to be 100% compliant. And as things get changed, they're going to update this plugin to make sure that you're still compliant, okay? So this is Bill Portnova. Just wanted to let you know about how easy it is to set up. And like I said, I'm going to put a link to my website where you can go ahead and you can get the information for my terms, and you can just add your website information, your URL, and obviously your address and all that stuff. You can just copy mine and just use it and go from there. All right. If you have any questions like that, leave comments below in this video on YouTube or in my blog that I'll actually be putting this video on. and we will get back to you. We hope you have a great day, and like I said, this is so simple to set up on your WordPress website. So have yourself a great day. Talk soon. Bye-bye.